Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have some exciting news about the upcoming Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Thanks to a leak from Quadro_News, we now have some juicy details about this highly anticipated action camera. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is set to be a game changer in the world of action cameras, and here's why. First, let's talk about the sensor and lens. The Ace Pro 2 features a Leica SUMMARIT sensor and lens. This first free 8K sensor, co-developed with Leica, is designed to capture more light, ensuring stunning image quality even in low light conditions. This collaboration with Leica, a brand renowned for its high-quality optics, promises to deliver exceptional clarity and detail in every shot. But that's not all. The Ace Pro 2 is powered by a dual AI chip. This 5M AI chip is a powerhouse, handling image processing, camera performance, system operations, and firmware functions. This means you can expect unrivaled image quality, with the AI chip optimizing every aspect of your footage to ensure the best possible results. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or in the dim light of dusk, the Ace Pro 2 is designed to perform exceptionally well. Moving on to the detailed specs, the Ace Pro 2 comes in a sleek black color and features a CMOS image sensor with an impressive 8K resolution. This high resolution allows for incredibly detailed and sharp images, making it perfect for capturing those epic moments. The camera offers a 2x digital zoom, which is great for getting closer to the action without losing image quality. It also performs exceptionally well in low-light conditions, thanks to its minimum aperture of /2.6. This wide aperture allows more light to enter the lens, resulting in brighter and clearer images even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera has a maximum aperture of /2.6 and a focal length range from 13mm to 35mm, providing versatility for different types of shots. Whether you're capturing wide landscapes or close-up action, the Ace Pro 2 has you covered. The 2.5-inch screen is perfect for previewing your shots and navigating the camera's settings. It supports video recording at up to 240 frames per second, which is ideal for capturing smooth, slow-motion footage. The HDR mode ensures that your videos have a high dynamic range, capturing more detail in both the highlights and shadows. For those who love to capture every moment, the Ace Pro 2 has one memory card slot compatible with microSD cards, allowing for ample storage space. It is also tripod/monopod mountable, giving you the flexibility to stabilize your shots for professional quality footage. The camera features Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, making it easy to transfer your photos and videos to your devices for editing and sharing. It comes with a rechargeable battery, ensuring that you have enough power to capture all your adventures. Now let's talk about the pricing. According to the leak, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is expected to launch at $399.99. This makes it significantly cheaper than its predecessor and only marginally more expensive than the Insta360 Ace. This competitive pricing, combined with its impressive features, makes the Ace Pro 2 an attractive option for both amateur and professional photographers and videographers. So, what do you think about the Insta360 Ace Pro 2? Are you excited about its features and pricing? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.